If you don't want to replace by Claude export, then watch this video. Step to integrate Claude with Revit is to visit the Claude website and download. I have given the link in the description to download the Claude.
Sure.
Okay, so visit the Claude website. Just download for Windows. After that, just open the setup. Double click on the setup or run as administrative. This process will be there. Okay, the downloading Claude. Claude is installing. Wait for a while. Accept. Then get started. If you have create your account in Claude, you can log in, else sign up in a Claude. Now you need to come on a Claude screen, like this kind of interface will be there. You can give a prompt like, "Hi Claude, are you able to see my Revit screen?" We have not installed anything else till now, just Claude and Revit, that's it. So Claude has given us the reply that he is not able to see our screen. Now you need to visit this link I have given in description. You just need to click on PyRevit 6.4.0 exe preferred. You need to install this PyRevit. Once you will download that, you just need to install as run as administrative. Then next, I accept the agreement. Then next, then yes, you can select PyRevit extension as well. If you want to install developer access, you can use that. Now open the Revit, and on Revit screen, we should be able to see the PyRevit option. So the PyRevit option is there. Just click on that. Now again click on PyRevit, below reload, then click on extensions. Once you will click on extensions, this kind of interface will come. Just type MCP. So if MCP is there, then close that. So now on the Revit screen, PyRevit is there. Now on command prompt, CMD, you just need to open the command prompt. You need to check whether Python is there in your system or not. So in my system, Python is there. If in your system Python is not there, you can download the Python. Now just go to the MCP server. I have given the link for this too, and you need to copy some of the things, like I'm scrolling. At the end, installation for the PyRevit is there. So you can either install by giving this mcp install main.py, or you can copy this manual installation and paste that. So I will do the manual method. I will copy this MCP server section. Now visit Claude. Then from the Claude, just need to visit the settings. From the settings, go to the developer, edit config. So when I click on edit config, I land on this page. So I will open this in VS Code or VS Studio. Now just paste whatever we have copied from there at here and close this. Okay, you just need to copy and paste. If you want to install VS Code, then I have given link for that too. You need to install Python as well as VS Code to the command, and we will give the command as pip install uv. Then we will reopen the Claude. So now from Claude, just go to the settings, then developer. Yes, and our Revit is already connected. Now again we will give the prompt, "Hi, can you see my Revit screen, or can you connect with my Revit?" Whatever prompt you want to give. So sometimes it cannot load directly. So in this kind of situation, what we can do is we need to visit the Revit. We need to open the Revit, and then from the Revit we can install the PyRevit, whatever installed file is there, and just click on the reload. Okay, and it will be connected. Now again give the prompt. Revit is connected and active. So we have integrated Claude with Revit. Okay. Now we will also check this by giving one prompt like create a room, create a room with one door and two windows. Okay, so it has already created a model. It has already taken the size, it has taken the door, window, each and everything. Okay, and as you can see, room assembly is there. Now we will visit on the Revit and we will see whether it is there or not. So on Revit we can see it is there. So by this we can easily integrate Claude with Revit. I have created one model. You can watch that video by clicking on the I button given above. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.